Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to make my own chatbot on Poe AI. So, first thing that you will do is open up the application of Poe AI. And now from here, guys, you will have on the right side, see all. So just simply select see all, guys, in order for you to explore multiple bots. So now from here, use the search bar and search for personal. And now from here, you will have multiple options that you could choose from. You will have academic, a personal coach, designer coach, a lawyer, even, and a TikTok full script. And most importantly, what I prefer is the Stoic GPT. So from here, this bot will give me a mindful perspective. And now I could just simply prompt this bot, can you give me a five quotes of being an athlete? And pretty much, of course, it will give you that. And as you can see, it will give us the quote and it will give us who is the author of the quote. And pretty much over here, guys, you should be able to ask different questions, and remember that the better the prompt that you have or the message that you have, the better it will produce or the higher quality that it will give out. So pretty much it will be just on your own personal preferences on how do you want your message to be. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.